To assemble an AD series dampener, first we install the shaft, making sure the plunger assembly functions. We apply a small amount of lubricant to the shaft and set it into place. Make sure it moves freely. Next we install the cushion, then the backing washer. Install the airside center disc with the radius facing the diaphragm. We then install the diaphragm itself. On the AD series dampeners, the diaphragms are installed backwards. Next, install the liquid side center disc and the backing washer. We now put on the lock washer and the shaft nut. Using 2 wrenches, we now tighten the shaft nut. We're now ready to put the liquid chamber on. Set the liquid chamber in place and by hand tighten the bolts. Using a wrench, finish tightening the bolts, making sure to tighten them in a star pattern. The assembly of the pulsation dampener is now complete.